What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Jlab Audio Studio Active Noise Cancellation Wireless On-Ear Headphones in black I picked up at Best Buy for $59.99. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.4 out of 25 customer reviews. If you guys remember correctly, I actually did an unboxing and a first impressions of another pair of headphones a couple of weeks ago, the Sony WH-CH510 I picked up at Walmart for $59.99. I do like the Sony WH-CH510 for their audio quality, but they don't have active noise cancellation. So today I figured we would maybe take a look at the best Beats Solo Pro alternative. Well, we're gonna find that out if they're the best Beats Solo Pro alternative or not. The Jlab Studio Active Noise Cancellation Wireless On-Ear Headphones I picked up at Best Buy. So will these basically solve the problem being good at listening to music and being good at canceling out noise while also coming in at around 60 bucks like the Life 2 Neo? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So as you see, we get this pretty simple Jlab Audio Studio Active Noise Cancellation Wireless box. Get the Jlab logo on the side here. Get a little window there so you can see inside the box. You can get a good look at the headband. It looks like it's leather, it looks like it's stitched a little bit. And then if you actually open up the top of the box here, there's like a flap on the front. You get a pretty good rundown of what the headphones can do. And then on the right hand side, you get an opening where you can see the headphones inside. You can tell by looking at them that they are on ear, meaning these should be kind of portable. Not sure if they come with a case. I did see another pair of headphones on Best Buy's website that were pretty inexpensive that also came with a case. You can also see the build quality from the headphones themselves. I am hoping that the mechanism to move the ear cups up and down is built out of metal and not plastic. That's what it looks like from the description. These do come with the ability to fast forward, play pause, rewind tracks, hang up calls, reject incoming calls. So we'll go ahead and bring in the handy dandy knife and just sort of cut. And I'll go ahead and just remove that flap there. We can go ahead and pull up on the lid of the box. And as you can see, what comes in the box is I just pulled something out. What looks like what comes in the box is that carrying pouch that I was mentioning at the beginning of the video, which is really nice. And what looks like a charging cable comes also in the bag. The inside of the bag is this blue sort of mesh, which is really nice, and it's actually kind of cushiony. And last but not least, what comes in the box is our headphones of pretty decent quality, I would say so far. I actually really like the way that they're built. On the side, you get the Jlab logo. You get some volume rockers, a volume up and down, and you get what looks to be a power button. You do get an LED indicator light. You can see it blinking there. It's ready to pair. That means that it's ready to pair this blinking LED indicator light. Not sure if that's going to be a problem over time, but that's definitely a new design. This sort of wire, yes, these are metal, and they actually are very, very smooth. No tactility when moving the ear cups up and down to adjust them. No noise, as you can tell. Those ear cups are very nicely cushioned there. Okay, so now that we've got the headphones on and ready to pair, we'll head over to Bluetooth and we'll get Jlab Studio Active Noise Cancellation at the bottom. And as you can see, just like that, they are connected. So we've got the right hand side, we've got the left hand side. Real quick before I put these on and do an audio first impressions, the build quality of these feels absolutely phenomenal. So go ahead and just slide them on so far. Really comfortable actually. And the active noise cancellation is on, I can tell. Yeah, usually when I snap my fingers and active noise cancellation is turned off, it's a very sharp, piercing sound coming through the headphones, but it's neutralized and it's muted and it's muffled coming through the headphones, which is good. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. Quiet, they're a little bit muffled. The Sony WH-CH510 are just louder. These sound like they're behind a wall a little bit. The noise cancellation on these is pretty good. It's good, it's average, it's not terrible. You know, it's just as good as I would say the AirPods Pros. Audio quality is just okay. They're not that loud. I like to listen to my music at a very loud volume. That being said, you know, the active noise cancellation works, and like I said, they are a little bit quiet, so it should even out in the long run. Movies enjoyably, on an airplane, on a bus, on a train. You know, they're not too bad. They look like they could belong to a kid. They don't really have this executive look, but they are, I think you could get away with them if you were like a business person traveling. Just, you know, don't expect them to sound as loud. Are these a good Beats Solo Pro alternative? Are they the best Beats Solo Pro alternative? If you're looking for good active noise cancellation, but for 60 bucks, and you know, okay audio quality, it's like I said, they sound a little bit muffled and behind a wall. Instead, you get good active noise cancellation and mediocre audio quality with these. Hey, I'm just being honest with you. Anyways, guys, because I picked these up at Best Buy, that does make them a big box good. This is the Jlab Audio on-ear wireless active noise cancellation headphones in black. I picked up at Best Buy for $59.99. They get 4.4 out of 5 stars out of 25 customer reviews. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.